Hi little explorers, welcome back to Kazu's Kids channel. Today we are talking about something super silly. Sneezing. Have you ever sneezed and went achoo? It's funny, right? But do you know why we sneeze? When something tickles your nose like dust, pepper, or even teeny germs, your nose says, "Hey, get out!" So your body make a big achoo to blow it all away like a super nose rocket. Did you know sneezes can travel faster than a racer car? But wait, sneezes separate germs, so always cover your nose with a tissue or your elbow. Now it's quiz time. Let's play a quick quiz. Why do we sneeze? We are sleepy. Our nose wants to clean itself. We want candy. 3, 2, 1. Did you pick B? That's right. You are a sneezy scientist now. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe and share it with your sneezy friends. And tell us what makes you sneeze.